Good morning, dear students. Today we will start chapter 4 Kinds of Sentences. Today we will learn how many kinds of sentences are there. So let's learn about them. Children, there are four kinds of sentences. First, statements. Second, interrogatives. Third, imperatives. And fourth are exclamatory. So let's learn them. First, read these sentences. I like watermelons. I love to paint pictures. Jayant is very happy today. All these sentences are statements. So they are called statement sentences. A statement says or states something. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So, a simple sentence is called a statement. Next, read these sentences. What is your name? Did you meet Mr. Verma? Why were you absent yesterday? The above sentences are questions. An interrogative sentence or question asks something. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So you must remember this. A question sentence asks something. If we have to ask something, we use a question sentence that is called interrogative. We interrogate through that. And it begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Read these sentences, children. Switch off the fan. Please come to me. Take the medicines regularly. What kinds of sentences are these? The above sentences are imperative sentences. An imperative sentence requests, commands, or gives directions. It usually begins with a verb. An imperative sentence begins with a verb. You can see in the first sentence we have started with switch, and the last sentence also we have started with take. So these are verbs, switch and take. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So, imperative sentences are used for making requests, commands, or giving directions. So, you must remember this. Read these sentences. What a beautiful picture it is. How fast is she running? These are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory means an exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion when you are surprised, when you are shocked, when you are very happy or very sad. These are strong feelings and emotions. So, we use exclamatory sentences for expressing strong feelings and emotions. It ends with an exclamation mark. So you must remember this. Exclamatory sentences end with a an exclamation mark. Let's revise, dear children. I make statements is called statement sentence. I request advice or order. It is imperative sentence. I ask question, interrogative sentence. I express a sudden feeling, exclamatory sentence. So you must remember a simple statement is called statement sentence. When we request order or advice, that is imperative sentence. when we ask something, that is interrogative sentence, and when we have a sudden feeling, a sudden strong emotion, that is exclamatory sentence. So these were kinds of sentences. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day, dear children.